Chase dogs, we're here. We're going to unbox, Stanley 88 piece with the tool chest. Total height of it is going to be 46.5 inches. The diameter is 11.8 inches in diameter, and the width is 24 by 6 inches in width. Comes with a tool set here. That'll be further down in the box, probably so. It's by a lifetime warranty. Picked it up at Walmart. Depends on where you live. It was $102. That's with tax. Valued at $140. Alright. Set it down. Got that styrofoam. You can't forget the styrofoam. Sorry about the traffic. Comes with instructions on how to put together. Save that. I don't need instructions. Okay, this is the cabinet. Oh boy. Pretty heavy box. This is mostly where the weight is for the whole thing. Well, pull some more of that out. Yes, I'm a weakling. Now, let's try. Alright. There we go. First drawer. Yeah, I just want to get in here real quick. Very nice. Smoothing out. These are probably the wrenches. These are sockets. Most likely. Get another cabinet. Slides up. More stuff. That's probably the rest of the box. Rip that out of there. Oh, okay. That's the tool chest. More freaking cardboard. Don't these people know how to save trees? How am I going to get that out of there? I don't even know if that comes out. Pretty sure it does. I think the thing was supposed to come with wheels. Let's see. Comes out there somehow. Huh. Let me read the instructions.
I thought you didn't need the instructions.
Well, I guess I need instructions. I'm pretty sure that this has to come off. Guess we'll read the instructions after I done accidentally ripped them. So now, recommended 2-person assembly. Well, I'm a one-man crew, so this is going to have to work the way I say it's going to work. Like I said, take them screws out the bottom. I am a genius. The video's going to be like 2 hours long.
Oh my god.
Who did that? Stupid wind blowing out here and everything. Freaking trying to tear my box up. This thing's got some weight to it. I mean, what's it weigh?
I don't know. I had a hard time getting it in the buggy.
That weighs about 100 pounds, 100, 200 pounds, something like that. Nah, it probably don't weigh that much, probably about 100 pounds. What I tell you, take the bolts out. After you lose them on the ground. Okay. All right. You see, you don't need instructions. All you need is common sense.
It's got like a key thing.
Yeah. Wonder where they put the key at. Where are these? Oh, these are your locks for your drawers. People can't steal your stuff with the keys. But you want to bet they gave me a key that don't even fit this thing. Oh, they did. Oh, more stuff. They did a very good job at packing this though. No cardboard. Hear that? Sounds like tools. My handy dandy pocket knife out. I think the $180 went in the shipping, all the packaging. Remember, always cut towards yourself.
What?
Alright. After you're done fighting with the thing, get it open. Here's your tool piece. Your kit. All these shiny chrome tools. Can't wait to get them all dirty. Oh yeah. Got your socket wrench. You only get one of these. They don't give you a small socket, but you do have an adapter. Smells like Walmart. Oops, I wasn't supposed to say that. Oh well. Buy it at Walmart. Oh, the Popo just showed up. I'm here to take my tool tips. Oh, shut up. Not everybody can be on YouTube. They don't get that privilege. Alright. Second box. See? Cut towards yourself. That's the right way to do it. This is the sides. Guessing. More packaging. More packaging. That's probably the sides. Okay. One more box to open, I believe. That's it. This is your hardware. Your little plastic wheels that are probably going to get upgraded. Harbor Freight. Okay. Show you all the wheels real quick. 4 of them. And your hardware to implement. Alright. Yeah, shut it off. I'm going to put the thing together.